These earbuds have incredible noise cancelling, amazing sound, and loads of smart features. So why a video on how to wear them? Because when you wear them properly, you get the best of all that tech, not just a more secure fit, but stronger noise cancelling, and you'll hear just how good they really sound. First, make sure they're the right way round. It keeps the sound coming from the right place, makes the tap control do what you expect, and helps them sit comfortably in your ears. To tell which is which, there's an L and an R on the earbuds. There's also a small raised dot on the left one to help anyone with reduced vision. They come with the medium earbud tips already attached, but getting the right size is really important, so try out the different options and choose whatever feels right for you. When putting them on, gently twist them into your ears. If they're not in properly, they won't perform at their best, so make sure they're the right way round and that you've got a secure, airtight seal. If they don't feel quite sealed, it can help to give the tip a gentle pinch before putting them in. When you first wear them, I'd strongly recommend running the fitting checks in the Sound Connect app. It's super easy. Just tap Determines Optimal Earbud Tips in the wearing section, and you'll get 2 quick checks. One to confirm you've got a good seal, and the other to make sure you're using the right size tips. You might find you need different sizes for each ear, and that's really common. I use small on my left and a medium on my right, so it's definitely worth using the app to double check your fit. And that's it. Once you've got the right size tips with a good seal, you'll get to hear what makes these amazing earbuds so special.